Have you submitted your assignment? Okay, okay then. Okay, so as we have already completed interface, so we will discuss today exception handling. Let me share the screen first. Check if the screen is visible to all of you.
No, ma'am. Not yet.
No, ma'am.
Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It will be hitting us exception handling. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by an exception? Have you encountered an exception while doing your program? कभी भी प्रोग्राम करते टाइम एक्सेप्शन एनकाउंटर किए हो?
Yes, ma'am.
So which type of exception you have encountered?
That's also bound exception.
Yes. If you have any problem, you can write in the chat box also. What type of exception you encountered? Index out of bound. Okay. Any other type of exception you have encountered? Okay, Asutosh, index out of bound.
Arithmetic.
Yes, Haris?
Arithmetic exception.
Okay. Any other type of exception you encountered while you are doing your program? Okay, I will close this all. Now here I'm just going to create one. Yes?
No, ma'am, nothing.
So there is a problem with my PC, I think, laptop. My system is slowed down. I don't know why. Just a minute. This is my class. So, okay. So here I will show you first example. Now let I have a number int a equals to 10. I have another number int b equals to 2. Then system.out.println a divided by b. Now let here I am declaring one array int. Let first we will check this one. Now let I will run the code. What will be the output here?
5.
The output is 5. So here the output is 5. Now if I will provide instead of 2, 0, are you finding any type of syntax error here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So when I will run the code again, then proceed here. What is happening? Now check here. यहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है? Exception in thread main java.lang. Arithmetic exception divided by 0. But here we don't have any type of syntax error. Okay. So this is one type of exception we are encountering. Now suppose here I am just declaring one array a equals to new int. Let my size of the array is 5. Now here I want to provide the value a of 5 is equals to 6. System.out.println a of 5. So is there any mistake here I have done? Syntax error?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So when I will run the code, again here what is happening? देखो यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है? So here java.lang, note down here java.lang array index outer bound exception, index 5 outer bound for length 5. So here यहाँ पर length कितना होना चाहिए? Instead of 5 यहाँ पर कितना लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए?
4, ma'am.
4. So because as even though we are declaring an array of size 5, लेकिन array में index number 0 से कहाँ तक जाएगा? 4 तक जाएगा. Okay. So when I am going to write 4, when I am going to write 4, then what will happen? It will show me the result. But लेकिन 5 जब कर देंगे, it is showing that array index out of bound. So these are, we are not finding any kind of, do we find out any kind of syntax error? Syntax error हम लोग कभी भी मिलता है क्या हमें? Whenever I am writing this code or I am writing A by B, are we finding any type of syntax error? So we are finding out what? Whenever we are running the code, we are finding out that there are some error. So what do you mean by the exception? What do you mean by the term exception?
Logical error.
Exceptions are basically the logical errors. Okay. So in short, I am just telling exception means logical error. So here we are going to check what is logical error. How many types of logical errors are there? How the logical errors are encountered? Okay. What? पहले देखेंगे. Then we will check how they are encountered and how to avoid this type of logical errors. Okay. Avoid logical errors. So in this chapter, we are going to learn what is exception handling. Okay, what are the different exception handling mechanisms are there? Okay, and how we are going to handle the exceptions that we will encounter during. कब handle करेंगे? During the program execution. Okay. So first, note it down. So first note it down, what is exception? Note down the definition for exception. Exception is an abnormal condition or we can call it as it is an is a logical error that encountered during the program execution. Okay, so in general, we can say in Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. Okay, have you noted it down? Is the definition for exception. So in general, we can say exception, it is nothing but an abnormal condition, or it is an logical error that encountered during the program execution. So in general, the technically we can say it in Java, an exception is an event that disrupt the normal flow of the program. Okay, so what do you mean by exception handling in Java? Next, write down exception handling in Java. It is a mechanism. It is an mechanism to handle runtime error so that normal flow of the application can be maintained. Okay, so exception, it is an exception handling mechanism. It is a mechanism to handle runtime error so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So we are having a number of runtime errors. For example, अभी हम लोग ने क्या देखा था? What are the exception? Arithmetic exception, basically encountered with divide by zero. Then another exception we encountered are array index out of bound. Okay, when array index exceeds the limit, exceed the size. Then other type of exception you may find out as IO exception. Then ये वाला exception भी तुम्हें encounter होता है, class not found exception. Okay, are you not finding out the exception when you are doing the class object program? Object बनाए होगे लेकिन वो class present नहीं होगा. So then this type of exception will encounter class not found exception. Then other one are SQL exception. Okay, so these are the common type of exception that we encountered while we are doing our program. Okay. Okay. So I will move to the next part. Have you noted it down?
मैम वो आरए इंडेक्स के बाद क्या लिखा है?
मैम
क्या
नोटिंग
मैम?
है।
IO exception.
नो मैम, आरए इंडेक्स के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Array
No,
index
okay.
out of bound. Array index
ओके
out OUT. Just a minute. I don't know. Array index out of bound. This program. This exception. Okay.
यस मैम.
ये वाला. Array index out of bounds exception. Okay, so when we are exceeding the index beyond the size of the array, then we will encounter array index out of bound exception. IO exception देखो, ये class exception कब encounter करोगे? When we are going to find out class exception, now I will show you one simple program. यहाँ पर मेरा 3 class है, ये x है, ये z है. Now I have here यहाँ पर क्या क्या class है? x, y, z. Okay, now here I will make this class as public just a minute. मैं तो ये logical. यहाँ पर error आ गया. This one is error. It is not exception. Okay, I will show you that. I will show you that class not found exception. यहाँ पे error आ जा रहा है. Okay, I will show you that class not found exception. Next, write down the next thing we should all know that exception hierarchy. So ये जो exception है वो कहाँ पर defined है? Where all these exceptions are defined? They should be defined within the Java package. वो Java package के अंदर define होना चाहिए. Okay, otherwise how you are going to know that it is one exception? Okay, are you getting my point? So as this all the exceptions, जो जितने सारे भी exceptions हैं, so this all are provided within a package. That is वो package को हम लोग that package that is basically used to handle the exception is known as your exception package. So ये कहाँ पर है? This exception package, it is present at java dot lang dot lang. It is the package. Within the package there is a class. Okay, java dot lang dot throwable class. Okay, just note down these terms where this exception class is there, where with the help of which you can handle the exception. It is present under java dot lang dot throwable class. Okay, used is the main class of exception hierarchy. ये मेन क्लास है. इस क्लास के अंदर we have the which class? Under the throwable class we are having the exception class which will handle the exception. So यहाँ पर हम लोग का जब भी प्रोग्राम हम लोग बनाते हैं, whenever we are going to do the program, what type of things we are encountering? Now suppose here I have written this one, ये B लिख दिए हैं. So ये क्या हो गया?
Compilation error.
Compilation error. This is basically we called it as what? Error. और यहाँ पर हमने अगर A लिख दिया है, A ये हो गया 5. Now it is known as what? Compilation error नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Here we are encountering exception, logical error. So basically the exceptions are being divided into two category. एक हो गया तुम्हारा logical error, another one is your error that we encounter during the compilation. So this errors are being categorized into कितने टाइप में categorize किया गया है? Two type. One is the logical error, another one is the compilation error. Compilation error are basically called as error, whereas logical error are called as exception. And ये जो handle करेगा in order to differentiate.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Check, is my voice is breaking again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I think there is a network issue. Okay, so वो जो error है, two types of error are there. One is logical, another one is your compilation. These are categorized under which class? Throwable class. And this throwable class is present under
Java.lang.
Java.lang package. So lang is the package. Within the package we have the throwable class. Within the throwable class, this is being categorized. So just write down the hierarchy of the exception. Remember this diagram.
And within the class means exception class extends throwable class.
Exception class is extend throwable. ये main class है. इसके अंदर तुम्हारा exception class है. That will be inherited. Okay. So write down here. लिख लो यहाँ पर Java exception. Exception and error are two classes inherited from superclass throwable. Okay, I'm just drawing the diagram. Throwable, it is my superclass. From this we have two classes. One is error and the other one is exception. Exception, again we have a number of classes under exception. First one is your IO exception, SQL exception, then class not found exception, then we are having runtime exception. Okay, this is the hierarchy how the classes are being derived. Throwable main class है, throwable से तुम्हारा दो क्लास बनता है, एक क्लास है exception, दूसरा क्लास है error. From exception class we are having IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Under runtime exception again we are having a number of classes. Arithmetic exception, then null pointer exception, number format exception, then here another one is your index out of bound exception. Index out of bounds exception. Under index out of bound we are again having two type. एक क्या है? One is your
Arrays index out of bound.
array index out of bound.
String also.
हाँ, और एक string है. One is your array index out of bounds, bounds. Okay, another one is your string index out of bounds. String index out of bounds. Okay, and again error, we have number of types of errors are also. One is your stack overflow. This error we have already encountered. कहीं पर एक encounter हुआ था ना stack overflow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, another one is your virtual machine. This we cannot be, ये हम लोग हैंडल ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. These are the things that we cannot handle at all. Another one is your out of memory. Okay, till now the whatever errors we are handling, only which type of error we are handling? Compilation error, that we can check during the compile time of the program. But now we are going to have the errors that we cannot handle at all. And that are basically your system error. System error means your virtual machine error. One is your stack overflow, one is your virtual machine error, one is your memory out of memory error. And this exception, these are the things that can be handled. इसको हम लोग handle कर सकते हैं. These are the things it can be handled. But these are the things that cannot be handled by our program. So that is why they are basically known as your proper error. Okay, draw this hierarchy. Draw this hierarchy. Have you noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will check one by one. Now here, as we have defined here exception, exceptions are how many type यहाँ पर? एक IO है, एक SQL है, class not found है. One is runtime exception. So among these exceptions, some exceptions can be handled during the compile time, and some we need to handle during the runtime. So the exceptions that are handled during the compile time are known as basically which type of exception? Checked exception. Okay, so basically this one IO, this one is your checked exception. SQL exception is your checked exception. Class not found is your checked exception. Whereas runtime exceptions are your unchecked exception. Just note it down the word. I'm just going to define it. Okay. Write down. These are the few theory part you should know. Exceptions are basically of two types. One is checked exception and the other one is your unchecked exception. Just a minute. I'm just muting my mic. Okay, just note it down. One is your checked exception, another one is your unchecked exception. Write down checked exception. These are inherited directly from throwable class except runtime exception and the next point is these are checked at compile time. So इसे हम लोग कब handle कर सकते हैं? Where we can handle this type of exception during the compile time. Okay. Another one is your unchecked exception. Unchecked exception these are inherited runtime exception and handled during runtime. This can be handled during runtime. So exceptions again are of two types. One is your checked exception, another one is your unchecked exception. Checked exception that can be handled during the compile time. Unchecked exception that cannot be handled, that are handled during the runtime, but it cannot be handled during compile time. I will show you example right now. And another one is your error. These are अनरिकवरेबल, इसको हम लोग हैंडल ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज योर आउट ऑफ मेमोरी stack overflow. Okay, these are the some examples of your checked exception, unchecked exception, and your error. Okay, have you noted it down? All of you noted it down?
Noting, ma'am.
So then we will check how we can go with the checked exception and unchecked exception. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will just move to check how this type of exceptions can be handled. So we will not giving any focus to this checked exceptions because these are the ये सब क्या है that can be handled during the compile time. As we have not discussed it till now, file handling we have not discussed till now, isn't it? फाइल हैंडलिंग तो हम लोग नहीं पढ़े हैं ना.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, so basically I'm just going to give you one example. Now suppose in this main function, in this to provide the path of the file. Okay, am I audible to all of you? Okay, so what will happen if that file is not present? अगर वो file present नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? It will show me one error message. यहाँ पर क्या दिखाएगा? Which type of message it will show us? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if here I will provide a file path and that file is not present in my desktop. Now वो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, क्रॉस मार्क आ जाएगा, error will be there. So in order to handle this type of error, here we are going to write the keyword throws IO exception. Okay, this type of statements we are going to write along with the main function in order to handle checked exception. Okay, in the main function itself, we are going to write the terms in order to handle the checked exception. So we are not going to deal with all those checked exception. We will only focus on the unchecked exception. Okay, we are only going to focus on this unchecked exception that are under your runtime exception. Runtime exception के अंदर जो भी आ रहा है, हम लोग उसको focus करेंगे. So this one is one type of runtime exception. Now here, this is another example. Now a class it is being created. ये class है. Okay, now you are going to create one class. Now let y का object बनाते हो. Y equals to y. तो ये क्या हो गया? What you have done here? ये y का क्या हो गया? Object बन गया.
Yes, ma'am.
But I have not initialized it. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया?
Compilation error.
Compilation error आ रहा है. यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है? The local variable y it is not being initialized. Now another one, यहाँ पर मैंने एक z का object बनाया है. So here I will write. यहाँ पर फिर क्या आ रहा है? Compilation error. The object has not been initialized. Okay, so this are again one type of error. Class यहाँ पर null pointer. This one is example of null pointer error. Again here I will show you. यहाँ पर मैंने एक string define किया है. String s is equals to null. Okay, now here I want to print the value for s. Okay, यहाँ पर null आ गया. Now if I am going to print, so what will be the value here? What will be the value here? If I am going to print s dot length, यहाँ पर क्या आ गया?
Null pointers.
So this is one null pointer exception. So these are the exceptions basically called as your unchecked exception, and we are going to handle it during using our exception handling mechanism. So remember the way. Another one is your number format exception. उसको भी देख लो the examples. Now here string s1 is equals to, and I'm writing some value. यहाँ पर देखो, what is happening here?
Number format exception.
Okay, so here I am writing all the different ways of exception that we are going to handle. यहाँ पर हो गया a of 5. Another one, system dot out dot println 10 divided by 0. So when I will run the code, ये आ गया. This one is your arithmetic exception. Now I will run the code again. यहाँ पर क्या क्या? Array index out of bound exception. Now I will run the code. Here I will found number format exception. It cannot convert a string to.
Integer.
It cannot convert string to integer. And दूसरा last वाला क्या है? I will put a comment line here.
Null pointer.
Last one is your null pointer exception. So this type of exceptions are known as your
Runtime exception.
not runtime exceptions, but basically we termed it as unchecked exception. These are known as your unchecked exception, and we are going to do our programming in order to handle which exception? Unchecked exception. Because as we have not discussed any file-based programming, we are just skipping the IO SQL class not found exception. We will only focus on unchecked exception. Are you? हाँ बोलो.
मैम checked exception समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
अरे देखो, checked exception, I will show you one program. In checked exception, here in the main function itself, we are going to write this one. ये throws हो गया. Throws यहाँ पर हम लोग IO exception. We have, as I have not discussed file, all those things, I am not giving focus here. ये throws IO exception. Why here I am writing? Because जब भी हम लोग एक प्रोग्राम में, मैंने यहाँ पर हम लोग डाटा कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? Where from where we are taking the data? From the keyboard?
Yes ma'am.
लेकिन जब हम लोग फाइल प्रोग्राम करेंगे, हम लोग इनपुट कहाँ से लेंगे? एक फाइल को रीड करेंगे तो इनपुट कहाँ से लेंगे? फाइल से लेंगे. वो फाइल से लेने के लिए हमें यहाँ पर क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? सिंटैक्स लिखना पड़ेगा फाइल ओपन करने के लिए.
Yes ma'am.
अच्छा, अगर हम लोग सिंटैक्स लिखेंगे फाइल ओपन करने के लिए, हमें क्या देना पड़ेगा? फाइल का पाथ देना पड़ेगा.
हम जैसे SQL वाला में 12th क्लास में SQL कनेक्ट करते थे.
हाँ, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? एंटायर पाथ देना पड़ेगा.
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है. अगर वो पाथ में वो फाइल प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा, तब तुम्हारा क्या होगा? एरर जनरेट होगा.
Yes ma'am.
तो वो एरर हैंडल करने के लिए हम लोग कहाँ पर कोड लिखेंगे?
मेन मेथड
यहीं पर मेन फंक्शन के साथ साथ लिखेंगे. तो वो क्या करेगा? वो एरर को हैंडल करेगा.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So as we are not discussed all those वो SQL फाइल ओपन वो नहीं किए हैं, so I'm just ignoring that checked exception. हम लोग का बस क्या पढ़ना है? What we need to learn? How to handle unchecked exception. Here I have shown you 4 examples. What are the different unchecked exceptions are there and how we are going to handle it? Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Should I move to the next part?
Yes ma'am.
और ये हो गया तुम्हारा क्या? This part is your error. इसके साथ अपना कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. These are the system generated message. And another one is your compile time error that can be handled during the compile time. I have shown you one example that I can show you ये वाला part. यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है? What here it is showing?
Variable is not
Initialize करने के लिए ये y क्या है? Object है. Initialize object variable y क्या है? Object है. But I have not initialized the y. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So write down the different exception handling mechanism. Different, note it down. Different exception handling mechanism to handle unchecked exception. Okay. So anyone have any idea what are the different exception handling mechanism to handle unchecked exception? These are the different mechanism: try catch block, multiple catch block, then nested try, then finally block, then we have a throw keyword, and we have another one throws keyword, okay. Then Java custom exception. These things we are going to learn. How we are going to write our own exception handling classes.
मैम थ्रो और थ्रो दो अलग अलग है.
हाँ, दो अलग अलग कीवर्ड है, दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है. थ्रो एक है, एक थ्रोज है. Okay, so note down this one. We are going to discuss each and every point. Okay, and at the last we are going to discuss how we can create our own exception class. हम लोग अपना कैसे exception class बना सकते हैं. लिख लिए?
राइटिंग मैम.
Okay. Over? Okay. So first note it down, try catch block. Syntax लिख लो, then we will move to the program.
मैम एक सेकंड के लिए ऊपर स्क्रॉल करिए ना, वो
हाँ.
वर्ड छूट.
हाँ, एक मिनट. लिख लिए?
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay, so first write down try catch block. Okay, the try block is used to have the code which contains exception. जहां पर भी तुम्हें सोच रहे होगे कि लॉजिकल एरर एनकाउंटर होगा, उसे कौन से ब्लॉक के अंदर डालोगे? ट्राई ब्लॉक के अंदर. ओके, तो क्या होगा? ओनली दैट पार्ट विल बी हैंडल्ड एंड देखो, so how we are going to write here the try code that generate exception. यहाँ पर जो भी एक्सेप्शन जनरेट होगा वो ब्लॉक यहाँ पर लिखोगे, एंड दैट विल बी हैंडल्ड बाय विच ब्लॉक? वो कौन हैंडल करेगा? दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हैंडल्ड बाय द एक्सेप्शन कैच ब्लॉक. एक्सेप्शन नेम, यहाँ पर एक ऑब्जेक्ट नेम. ओके, सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन. Catch block will handle the exception generated by the try block. So in catch block, यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है? Exception class followed by object name. In catch block, we need to write the exception object, exception class, name followed by the object. Okay. So in this manner, we are going to write our try catch block. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Note it down. I will go with the example. ट्राई ब्लॉक में जो कोड में एक्सेप्शन होगा हम लोग वो ब्लॉक पर ट्राई में लिखेंगे. कैच में हम लोग वो कौन सा एक्सेप्शन जनरेट कर रहा है वो कैच में लिखेंगे. ट्राई कैच के बाद जो कोड में कुछ भी एरर नहीं है वो सब कहाँ पर लिखा जाएगा? ट्राई कैच के बाहर लिखा जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट जो एक्सेप्शन है वो जनरेट करेगा और साथ साथ क्या होगा? रेस्ट ऑफ द कोड भी एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. सो आई विल शो यू द एग्जांपल. हैव यू नोटेड इट डाउन?
Yes, ma'am.
Noting the
Okay, note it down. Over? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's already time. In the next class, we will discuss the example.
मैम एक सेकंड के लिए वो दिखाइए.
हाँ देखो, those who want to leave the class, you can leave now. हो गया सुधांशु?
Yes, ma'am. हो गया.
Thank you all.
Thank you.